XGIMI Vibe 1 versus Lumio Arc 5. Which premium portable projector should you buy? In this video, we're comparing the XGIMI Vibe 1 and the Lumio Arc 5 to help you decide which portable projector is the better choice. We'll compare their design, picture quality, smart features, battery life, audio performance, and overall value so you can choose the projector that best fits your needs. Let's begin with the design. Both projectors are compact, lightweight, and designed for portability, making them ideal for bedrooms, apartments, travel, or outdoor movie nights. The XGIMI Vibe 1 features a unique lantern-style design with a built-in carry handle, an integrated battery, and a 160-degree tilting stand that makes it easy to project onto walls or even ceilings. The Lumio Arc 5 also has a highly portable design that fits easily into a backpack and is built for quick, hassle-free setup. Now let's talk about picture quality. Both projectors offer native full HD 1080p resolution, but they perform best in dark or dimly lit environments. The XGIMI Vibe 1 delivers excellent contrast, reliable color reproduction, automatic focus, and automatic keystone correction. However, its brightness of around 250 ISO lumens means it's not designed for bright daytime viewing. The Lumio Arc 5 is also intended primarily for low-light viewing. With approximately 200 lumens, it performs well for personal movie nights and casual entertainment, but like the Vibe 1, struggles in brightly lit rooms. Next, let's compare smart features. The XGIMI Vibe 1 clearly has the advantage. It comes with Google TV, officially licensed Netflix, Chromecast support, Bluetooth speaker mode, ambient lighting mode, autofocus, and auto keystone correction. The interface is polished and easy to use, making setup almost effortless. The Lumio Arc 5 focuses more on simplicity and portability. It offers a straightforward user experience for watching content, but doesn't provide the same level of smart features or ecosystem integration as the Vibe 1. Now let's discuss sound quality. The XGIMI Vibe 1 includes dual JBL speakers, which deliver respectable audio for a projector of this size. While they won't replace a dedicated sound system, they're more than adequate for casual movie watching. The Lumio Arc 5 also provides usable built-in speakers for everyday viewing, but its audio performance is generally considered one of its weaker areas compared to dedicated external speakers. Battery life is another important consideration. The XGIMI Vibe 1 includes a built-in rechargeable battery, but in real-world use it typically lasts around 1 to 1.5 hours for video playback, depending on brightness settings. This means longer movies may require connecting the projector to external power. Now, which one should you buy? If you want the better overall projector, the XGIMI Vibe 1 is the stronger choice. It offers a more polished software experience, Google TV, licensed Netflix, better automatic setup features, stronger speakers, and excellent portability. However, if your priority is an ultra-portable projector for occasional movie nights at a lower price, and you don't need advanced smart features, the Lumio Arc 5 still offers good value and an enjoyable viewing experience in dark environments. Here's my honest verdict. For most buyers, I'd recommend the XGIMI Vibe 1. Its combination of better software, easier setup, stronger feature set, and overall user experience makes it the more complete portable projector. The Lumio Arc 5 is still a solid option if portability and affordability matter most. But if your budget allows, the XGIMI Vibe 1 is the projector I'd choose. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more projector reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which portable projector you'd like me to compare next.